Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So about number 5, that's about 2 multiplied by 5 over 2. That means we need to have 5 over 2 square. Later that we need to minus 5 over 2 square. Because I want to create about identity in here. Next, negative 5 over 2 square minus 4. You will go about negative 41 over 4. And this one in here, we will go about s plus 5 over 2, everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put this one equals to the square root of 41 over 4. Also the square root of 41 over 2. And we put about secant of t, because if I put this one go in here, you will go about 41 over 4 secant of t square. 41 over 4 we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1 we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the s. Next, because we still have s in here, so we put 5 over 2 go to the right. And you got about negative 5 over 2. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about the s equals to the square root of 41 over 2 secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one go in here. S we change for this one. The S we change for this one. So this one we got about 41 over 4, and we got about secant of t square. So 41 over 4 we can do about factorization in here. Secant of t square minus 1 we change for tan t square. And now we simplify tan t and tan t. The square root of 41 over 2 divided by 41 over 4. You will go about 2 multiplied by the square root of 41 over 41. Next, secant of t we change for 1 over cosine t, and tan t we change for sine t over cosine t. So we simplify cosine t and cosine t. And now we have number 3 multiplied by this one and this one. With number 5 you got about 15. Now we need to open the parentheses. Negative 15 over 2 plus 5. You will go about negative 5 over 2. And now secant of t we change for 1 over cosine t. So this one multiplied by 1 over sine t and 5 over 2 multiplied by sine t. So you will got like this. So we know that 2 cosine t sine t we change for sine 2t. And now 1 over sine 2t, you got about cosecant of 2t. And this one we change for cosecant of t. And now we got the final answer. The integral of cosecant of 2t, you will go about negative 1 over 2. And we have ln of the absolute value of cosecant of 2t plus cotangent 2t. The next one, the integral of cosecant of t, you got about negative, but we have another negative, you got about positive 5 over 2 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotangent t. And we put about c in here. About t, we need to return back to here. So we divide both sides by the square root of 41 over 2. So you got about t equal to our secant of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.